So over here you can see that I got a bunch of letters right here. So what I want to do is I want to work around with the preferences for show link details. So I'm just going to go around and type in another word right here saying this is a link right here. And then I'm going to grab the word link and right click on it, and then I'm going to go on link. Once I do that, I'm going to type in www.google.com right here and press apply. So once I do that, let's see what happens. If I were to take my mouse and click over here, you can see that it shows google.com right here. Let's say I do not want to see a detailed link like this. So in order to disable that, I'm going to go around into tools, into preferences, and then disable the show link details option right here and press OK. Once I do that and once I click here, you can see that right now it just says Google right here. It does not show the link details right here on the web address. It just shows the title of the page you're linked on it. So you want to get that back again, you go over here onto tool, onto preferences, onto show link details, and then you'll get that option again. As you can see the URL as well. And that is how you can work around with the show link details option inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.